Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can enable or disable the keyboard sound and vibration in your device. Let's watch the video.